My guess is that one of the things that your students really enjoy is drawing, as well as technology. So this website, Autodraw, will combine drawing with technology and even throw in a little artificial intelligence. This is a really fun program that I'm happy to share with you. So we're going to start by going to autodraw.com and we are going to start drawing. So this is great because it gives students a chance to be creative and to draw directly on their laptop or whatever technology that you have. So there's lots of ways to use Autodraw, but in this situation, let's say that the class read the book Charlotte's Web and is now going to use Autodraw to illustrate a particular scene. So first, we're going to start using the drawing tool, and we are going to draw some grass. Now I'm going to use the Autodraw pen to make a sunshine. I'm going to start by drawing my sunshine, and you'll notice that along the top, Autodraw is going to try to figure out which shape I'm drawing. Rather than using my sunshine, which really doesn't look so good, I'm going to choose this one. Now I can resize this and move this over here. The other nice thing you can do in Autodraw is use the fill tool. So rather than this just being an outlined shape, I can use the fill tool to color in between the lines. Now let me keep drawing with the Autodraw tool. This time I'm going to draw a barn. I can use the select tool to move and adjust this, and the fill tool to color this in. Now, how about everyone's favorite character, Wilbur the pig? This one will look good. And of course, Charlotte the spider. Now I'm almost finished, but the last thing I can do is add text. Once you're done, you can share your creation as a URL by clicking the share button and choosing copy link. So the website is autodraw.com. It's a great tool, especially if you work with younger students. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoy these tips, and I'd love it if you could subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more updates.